So for today, the first thing is we have not have anyone ask Monica about the Miss Monica for the business names in the last meetings.
Yes, she
Oh,
said we can.
Have
Like,
you asked her in the
yeah,
last?
we did. Yeah, we did ask, and she said like we can have our own.
oh yeah,
Yeah,
you weren't there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And I did like look for some name.
I also have some names we can decide in this meeting. So we get
We
that out of the way.
you
And
should
you
you
can
should
use
check it through
the
the
GoDaddy. I
Yeah,
can
were
use
you
yeah.
able to check through
it.
GoDaddy?
GoDaddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the domain names for some like really basic names
Could be
are
expensive.
Yeah.
extremely expensive.
So whatever names you have, I suggest you use the link and I'm gonna put it in the chat.
You said GoDaddy?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
put it in the
he put
chat.
it in the chat, so just copy the link.
Or you could look it up too, it doesn't
Yeah, the
matter.
link is in the chat.
Hi, this is GoDaddy. So what is the thing again? We can look up
Yeah,
domain.
you could put in whatever name. Well, whatever name you decided on.
Okay, okay. So do you have any?
I had a couple. I didn't check them, but we can check together.
You wanna try like pixshare.com?
I
Pick
think I did that,
PIC.
and I think it was expensive.
No, I tried to do it PIX
Okay.
and
Oh,
do
this is
share.
what she said. She said to go here and then look up
Like,
names.
can you do shares instead of share? Because yeah, it's already.
Oh, so it looks like there is already this thing exists. Uh,
Can you like add like S after E?
shares.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
Oh,
These are the one that comes up pictures online, which is like 99 cents.
99 cents. Yeah.
Yeah. I have a question. This is the
Mm,
domain name, right?
hmm
Domain name that she gave us, which is the upalupa.com, that cannot be edited, right?
I think she said she's gonna buy one for us. That
Yeah,
would,
yeah. So you have to
yeah,
be cheap.
Ah, okay. So I was a bit confused because I chose like a business name, like for our
mm.
business. So I don't think that I was choosing names based on that doesn't exist yet.
yeah, because the easy one and eye-catching one is already taken by someone, and these are like expensive.
Mhm. But do you have any other names?
Yeah, let me share you guys.
Uh,
I also tried to do like free Wix instead of pics.com.
Yeah.
You can try it and see if it is still available.
What's the name again?
Free
Free.
Wix, Vix
Uh-huh.
.com.
Vivek stuff. So that's like these ones.
Wow.
Law.
And I now it wasn't expensive. It was like now like 99 cents or 1 cent, something like that. Now,
Okay.
yeah.
So okay, I'm still confused though. You have to clear my confusion.
Oh,
I was choosing names just like random names that's not it's like trademarked yet. So I was
Oh, do you wanna try it here? And
LinkedIn is saying that the publicpixel.com it's a penny.
I'm sorry again. One.
LinkedIn, he just posted on the chat.
Okay.
He put that the publicpixel.com is a penny.
oh, okay, that is you can try it in there.
This one, it's not loading.
Yeah, but you have to like put it on GoDaddy to double
Okay.
check.
Also, whatever name we pick, we have to let the professor know like soon so that, it
Oh,
doesn't.
these are the ones that you're talking about?
Why does it look different on for it doesn't say that for me. That's weird.
Really? Do you want to share your screen?
Sure.
Okay. I'm gonna stop sharing.
Uh, whoa, unless I spelled it wrong, but oh, there's too much stuff here. Goodness. First only with 3 year term. I don't know what this means, but
First year only with 3-year terms. Like you have to buy it probably for like 3 years.
so then after the first year would be whatever this is, right?
Mm-hmm. I think so.
And I think
Yeah.
Professor mentioned she's gonna buy it for 1 year only, right?
Yeah, she said she'll only
Yeah.
buy it for 1 year.
Yeah.
So I mean, if the name, if you like it, like you should just kind of get it over with.
Yeah, because I didn't know that they would change. Like when I was researching names, I tried to find different ones that were only a penny.
Exactly. I don't know. The somehow is all expensive now.
So I put the names that I found were just a penny because I was going on here for like an hour because everything was so expensive.
Hmm.
So you could always see if any of these also work.
Yeah. I also shared like two. No.
The one that I'm looking for you, I see it's expensive. There are like vlogs website that's like $1.99 for the first year.
We're trying to find, I think, something 0.01 if that's the best. And I think she said something like try and look for .com, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, she said to find it.com.
.com. I think this one's .com, right? Yeah. Well,
And
Yeah.
it's the public pixel instead of public pixel, but
.com. So the dot coms are kind of more expensive. I'm looking at the openpicture.com. It's like $12 the first year.
Yeah, that means the prices went up because when I took the picture, they were what's it called? They were $1. I mean 1 cent.
Yeah. The same thing happened. Like I had like few. Now it's all are like over like $10, $20 something. How come within maybe like 2 days?
Exactly.
Okay, I'm looking at more. Um, there is this snapfrazezone.site. No, that's a site. That's not a .com. Fraser. Yeah, these are all $12. The one you sent me.
Yeah, then that means they went up because at the time I literally took a screenshot. They were only 1 penny.
Okay. Yeah, all of them are $12. All the .coms that you showed me, all $12.
Yeah, then I guess we can go with public pixel if it doesn't go up.
Yeah, I like it.
Yep, anything with .com, all $12.
I think now we can just go with it. The public pixel.
Public pixel.
Wait, so we have to like share it with professor, right?
hmm
So hopefully it stays the same, the price,
So we should probably let her know about it today
right?
so she
yeah.
could do it real quick
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
before it goes away.
Let me see again. On your screen is 1 cent first year. Nope, there is no 1 cent.
Hmm.
There is none.
What do you mean?
Yeah, the one that you sent, right? The
Mm.
publicpixel.com. It went up.
Oh,
Whoa. By
Wait,
how
did you try
much?
the public pixel or just public pixel?
You can see, but click on the first one, the buy. Can I see it?
This?
Yeah. The public pixel domain added. Let me see the checkout.
That is the. Whoa.
it went up. Yeah, right there.
Wowza.
So you have to buy it for 3-year contract. So the first year is, I think, like, yeah, it's $12.
Mm.
Yeah,
Oh, so even the penny ones will always be at $12.
right. It's a contract base. If you
Okay,
it's
okay.
like after the first year, the second year it goes to the original price, and the third. So only the first year you get it for one penny, but then you have to buy 3 years together.
So you're doing it up front, basically. Kind of.
Right, right,
Yeah.
right.
Okay. I
So
mean, well,
uh,
it's $12 I'm not spending.
the public.
But does that professor knows that?
Uh, I mean, you could tell her.
Yeah.
I would hope so.
I'm pretty sure she might. She's the one that wants us to look up to these domains.
Yeah. Or should we just email her right now? Hopefully she replies back.
Yeah, sure. Do you want to pinch her in the meeting?
Let's do that.
You can ping her. Maybe just because she said if you ping me for like a meeting, just Anna, do you want to send her a link?
Yeah, I can do that.
While you continue the conversation, if she could join, that would be like really helpful. Um, I'm looking at one more. Let me see. Open
Yeah.
for and
Not share my screen for a moment.
openlens.com, openlens shop. Anything with the .com, all of them are $12. If you buy online, open like anything with online dot online, it's like 99 cents.
Hmm.
But professor said like to find something with .com.
Yeah, because that is uh Juan, do you have any names?
To be honest, I have been looking, but most of them are pretty basic. Like I was thinking on something like using numbers or something like that, like pics for you. So instead of four, just use number four
Mm,
or something like that. But to be honest, the free pixel, the one that we just look around, the public pixel, I like that name. Sounds pretty cool and straightforward.
Do you wanna check like the one I sent it on the chat if it's still 1 cent or get out?
yeah. So that I'm looking at that you sent is no,
Went up?
opengallery.com is $12. Because the one that you see 99 cents
Mhm.
is like dot space dot different like domains, not .coms.
I had sent her the link, so if she joins, she'll join.
Mm-hmm.
If not, I'll email her again and ask if she can make it to tomorrow's meeting.
Okay. Okay, so this is something, I mean, anything that you choose, I'm gonna write it down. Anything that we choose is like $12. It doesn't matter which name you choose.
Oh, that's why it's doing that.
Okay, that's aside. We have to get to WordPress, the next thing.
So before work on that, like I found something that if you guys like it, so we can put it in, add it in our website.
Okay.
Okay, so I was thinking like what if we add a request an image feature on there onto like our website. So basically if someone need a photo that's not available, they can like just request it through the form. Like this way like we'll know exactly what people are looking for and the contributor can upload the image based on the request. What do you guys think?
I mean, I'm cool with that.
I like that idea.
And I did some research on it, right? And I think the plug is free.
Okay.
Yeah,
You
so
want
you
to share
can
your screen? I don't know.
like I don't have it right now with me, but I was doing some research, so I found that. So I thought like if you guys agree, so we can add it on our website.
Yeah. And I think
Can
also
can you
today.
find the name so I can share it with you guys? Let me see if I can find it right now.
Okay. And also we have to start to talk about like who will be working on which part on the website, because I know that somebody have to be working like
So
on the contact size.
this morning I went into WordPress and I added the contact information in the bottom
Okay.
of the page.
But I think that it
Um,
have to be like also like a new subpage. Like we should have like more categories and things
right.
on things
Yeah, we
clickable.
need about page, home page.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have to divide those categories. One person can,
One, yeah.
yeah, think of the tabs that we can add, and then we can just separate it between the teams.
Okay. So for sure will be like the homepage. It's
Yeah.
one.
One, do you have
Also,
are you in front of your computer?
yeah.
Could you sign in?
Give me one sec.
Because I forgot my user. So this morning I went in from the other user. Oopa loop.
I also actually have the same problem. So I just reset the password like a couple of days ago.
Yeah, I forgot about it.
There we go. Yeah. Let me just send it. So we will need the homepage. What else do we?
Are you logged in?
Yeah.
Hello, I am in the car.
Hello,
Let's
Professor.
see how you do this.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm sorry, I'm in the car. Okay. I'm not driving though, but can you guys see me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So we have looked into all the dot coms domains, and all of those domains are
Okay.
ranging from like $12 to like $15 like yearly, the first year subscriptions. And
Uh-huh.
anything that we find beside that's not dot com, that's like cheaper. But let's say it's like dot online, dot shop, dot vlog. Those are like cheaper.
Okay, so
Um,
select.
Can
uh,
hear.
sorry, Professor, it's lagging.
Yeah, because I'm in the car. What did you guys select?
We selected on the public. It's a domain called public. Let me see again. Sorry,
The publicpixel.com.
The public
publicpixel.com.
Okay. Okay, the 1 second. Let me look at the chat. Can you put it in the chat so I can see it because I cannot hear it too well?
Lyndon, could you please paste it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got you. 1 second.
Pixel.com. Okay, I see it. Did you guys check for that domain?
Yeah, we were just checking it, the domain right now, and that domain is available to purchase, but it's .com. So publicpixel.com is what is it? Let me see again. The pixelpublic.com. Yeah, so the domain is available to purchase for like 11.99 for the first year.
Perfect.
Should I forward that link? Because we are checking on GoDaddy domain.
Okay, what you need to do is send me the domain. I'll be home in 25 minutes.
Okay.
And as soon as I um, can you send me by email the domain, and then in 25 minutes, well, let's go make it 30 because I don't know traffic and everything, but it's 20, it says 25 minutes, I'll be home.
Okay.
And I'll do it, and then I install it, and we'll do all the stuff.
Okay. We're gonna email it to you.
Yes, email it to me, but give me 30 minutes, okay?
All right.
Okay.
All right. And then I'll send you guys email, or you can text me, put it in the chat, my personal phone number. Hold on. What is how I do this? Here, 347-336-4689. Okay. So this is my wait here. That's my personal phone numbers. Just you can text me the domain there, and as soon as that I get it and I install it, because I had to add the SSL for the domain. I had to add the domain to my server, and I had to add the SSL certificate to it,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
And then I'll be ready for you guys to do the theme and everything. Okay.
Perfect.
Hopefully we'll get everything done today.
Okay.
All right.
Good. Thank you so much for joining the call.
Thank you,
Okay.
Professor.
Thank
Thank you,
you. Bye bye,
Professor.
guys. Okay. Now leave it here. Let's see how you do this here. And
That was great. Um,
Wait, so we are gonna work on that, right?
right. So for convenience, I'm gonna take a screenshot, forward it in the WhatsApp. Anna, could you do the favor again and email with this so she knows exactly which domain? Because there's so many domains in the chat box.
Yeah, I already have my email open.
Okay, I'm forwarding in group 2. I just want to make sure this is the domain. Can you check?
Yeah, that's the domain. That's the domain.
That is the domain, right?
Mhm.
Okay. And so including that, you can just send it to her. And yeah, so that's sorted out right now. Let me write down. All right. Juan, you're up with your screen.
Yep. Oh, okay. You want me to share my screen?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And then could you edit my password too?
Okay, got it. Okay, then let me just go to all users. So, because what I can do actually, I think that I can send you the set new password.
You cannot edit it from here or no?
Application password name. Oh, I think that. Okay, I think that we have
Maybe set
this
new
one.
password on the top, set new password, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And yeah, just put like very easy one, like
I will put internship 2025.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
I will anyways. Just put it here in the chat.
I
So
sent the email to her.
thank you so much, Anna.
You're welcome.
Is that it? Oh shit. No, sorry, I just have to. 2025. Okay, and just leave it like this. Update user.
Yeah.
Yep. All right.
Let me log into site.
Oh, and did Nuna look find
The
the
one that you pasted in the comment section, right? The password?
yeah.
It's not working. Okay, I may have to try it again because I tried multiple times. I have to try it later on. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
This one is a plugin, right? That
Huh?
that Nuna talk about.
WP Forms Lights.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I just will install that one. Okay. Let it just play around. On okay, then let me just change the name over here. So it will be the public pixel. Okay, so we will need to do the home page. The what else?
About page.
About page, yeah.
The contact page.
Yeah, contact page.
Did we talk about that we need to do the login?
Oh, we should do a login page.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
And remember the complex part. How would a user submit a photo?
Yeah, but I think that like that is going to be after we have like the basic stuff, like the homepage, the about, and the contact. After that, we will create the login, and after the login, like the management page of the users.
So we have homepage, contact, about,
The login page, like a gallery page, like to just show everything. Because on the home we will have some stuff, but I think that we will put something about
oh,
about the project.
can you scroll down on the page? I think there's like a example in the bottom.
Oh yeah. So, so it will be something like
We need
category.
to, we need to edit the categories.
Yeah. So category. So instead of like gallery, let's put it categories. And what else do we need?
We need, so if you go all the way in the bottom of the page, because remember we have to make social media content for this too. So we need
Right.
using
Mm.
the org email, we have to create all these social medias.
Now
Okay.
we have a name. We can use that for those.
Social media.
Mhm. And then we need go a little up. You see these new the first part, new arrivals,
Yeah.
we can add something here. I mean, it doesn't have to be new arrivals.
Oh yeah. No. Like this will be changed a lot.
My question is, like the homepage and everything. How do you want to do this? Do you want to do like a scroll, or it's like on the top, like line like that?
I was thinking on doing like on the on the line or
Mhm.
horizontally, but I will have to. Okay, if you want, I can work on the homepage, and I can just play around and see like what looks better.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4.
because how would that look on? Well, you could see how it would look on a phone, right, or a tablet.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
I can just change it here to tablet. Oh, wait an hour.
Mm,
Okay.
Yeah, doesn't look bad. And here's how it look on phone, which
okay,
is pretty okay. But the thing is that I don't think that people will be really using it on the phone. I believe that it's mostly on for desktop.
right.
Because usually when we will use it is when you will be looking for like stuff for a presentation or a project. And usually when people work on that, they work on the computer.
Fair.
But yeah, it's good. Like we have to like keep checking the tablet and mobile format. But yeah, so it will be right now. We'll have to work on the web and the homepage about contact
So there are already six.
and categories because I think login could wait a little bit because after login we have to look on the like management of the each user
Right,
and we're also like on how everything will be connected and uploaded to the website.
right.
So now we just have to work on the front. So I think that it will be homepage about contact, like the category page
We
and
have
social
to
media.
in the about. We need to add a mission page.
But this is going like inside about, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we can separate these four categories. Whoever is comfortable with whatever one of this tab, we can just choose.
Yeah. And also I think that like somebody could just like work on creating the social media accounts, at least the name, like to save the names. So
Yeah.
it will be something like an X, an Instagram, and a TikTok.
Maybe we just create like Instagram or like
Yeah, I think that one will be okay enough.
okay.
Wouldn't it be better to have multiple though?
I think so too,
Because
yeah.
it's better to have a more like
We can reach more people, I think.
yeah. And if you want, the same content could be posted to multiple platforms. A lot of creators do it,
Hmm.
Okay. All
Especially
right.
with Facebook, Instagram, X.
and TikTok as well.
Yeah.
You can see the same video if you go on TikTok or Instagram.
Okay, got it. Yeah. So somebody else could just like create all the accounts and just like have it on a different on the same like document to just have all the accounts. What else do we need to have like or in the web page?
Mm. This is it. We can just start with these simple ones.
Yeah. At least for this week, yeah, we can start with this one. And also something else that we talked about on the meeting was the blog, right?
Hmm.
Somebody wants to work on that.
I could do that.
Yeah, okay. If you want, I can like also like work with you. So if you wanna like if you would just wanna do yours, and I can just double check or add something that I like.
Hmm.
We don't really have a deadline, I think, but I think that it should be. We have something by next meeting, like by Monday.
Do you for the blog, do you want it to be related to pictures or like should be the span of topic?
No, the topic we have it on the group chat is the one that it's. Let me just ping it out. That's the one that I.
Gotcha. Okay.
So,
That
yeah.
one.
So
Okay.
what else did we went on the meeting over the meeting? It was mainly that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want, guys, we can just like at least if any like if we have time, we can work on this today. If not, we will have working tomorrow. We will have the whole day to just like keep working and editing, and we will have a meeting tomorrow, right?
Yeah,
Right.
Mhm.
Okay.
What
So
time
we
have you
can
decided on for tomorrow?
11.
11.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We can work on this today. Did you decide who want to take which part?
I can do like about page. Because somebody already said it's gonna do like contact, right? Or the homepage. Was it you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can do about page and also can do the I think the content creation part, like creating that.
I can work on the category page.
Okay. And so that's divided. Let me write down my part. Okay. Anything else?
I think that will be at least for today. Like if
Actually,
any
there's one
Wanna share
thing.
it here so we all know who's working on which part?
sorry what?
Like the in the chat with the name who's
Oh,
doing we know.
okay.
Also, there's kind of one thing I wanted to share about. Um,
Yeah.
when we look at the week 3 guidelines, it says we have to create a market strategy, and I kind of did start on that.
Okay.
So I'll probably share it I can show you real quick what it is about, and I'll share the link in the group chat.
Okay.
Because, like I said, I was just kind of going off a tangent on that because I was trying to figure out what we could do that I think she wants that delivered. So,
Okay.
You want to
I'll
share your screen,
share
Anna?
that real quick.
Yeah. So I think you have to stop sharing, right? Oh, I already stopped it.
So, I did this. I worked on this for a little bit.
That price promotion. Please, people.
We did the whole SWOT analysis.
Okay.
Because she wants us to do the VRIO analysis, the BCG, and the GE, but since we didn't have anything in the website at that time, I couldn't really add anything.
Mhm.
So I just wanted to let y'all know this is kind of what I was working on a bit this week.
Okay.
So since we already have a more like concrete idea of what we can actually do, I'm gonna share it so we can all edit it.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Stop. And that was the last thing that I
Yeah. So okay. So if you wanna like keep working on the analysis like this week, and you will just have this as your like working for the whole the week. Because I think, and if you want somebody else can help you. If you want, I can help, like give it a look or help you with whatever you want.
I have
Because
a
this one
question.
it's also important, so we have to have that.
I mean we all can contribute and help her. Like
Okay.
Yeah, like I said, I just did whatever I thought of, whatever I researched, different things like based on other websites I've seen, based on other marketing strategies I've researched. So if anyone has any ideas, you could feel free to add it. I just wanted to let you know that the marketing strategy is there, so we have a deliverable in case she asks for next week.
Got it. All right. Awesome.
I have
Okay.
a question. Did she mention anything about the Google Analytics in the meetings?
She talked about that, but nothing. She didn't say
yeah,
anything.
I think we're gonna have to do that because that's part of what week 2 was about.
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
working on it right now because that's how we're gonna be able to add ads to the WordPress.
Anna, do you want to like what is it? Give me some work because I feel like I'm doing very less, so I could definitely do that part.
If you want, yeah, you can work on the ads, the Google Analytics. I believe
It-
there's a link
yeah,
on
there is a link. I see it here. But did you is there any account that I have to create? Did you look into that or no? Is
I
this
think that you can try with the lecturers. That will be better to have your lecturers there.
okay?
Because if you do that, I think that everything will be linked to your personal Gmail.
All right. Wait, two. So I'm gonna get started with Google Analytics because I feel like you guys have done way too much work and I have done barely any work. Um, I'll do this and whatever I find, I'll put in tomorrow's meeting.
Awesome. Yeah, sounds good.
perfect.
Anything else for today?
All right.
Yeah, I think.